everybody. So remember, this is the 69 Chev that we did for a customer, and he brought it to us in parts and pieces, and we did all the body work and paint on it. The only thing that we actually pre-fitted on the truck was the doors to the cab, which is a giant no-no, and we always say, you know, take it apart, put it together, take it apart, put it together, so that we make sure that the fitment's right. But this one, I'm really super proud of our team. I'm just so proud of what we do here. For a little, you know, backyard shop, we can compete with the big boys, I think, in my opinion. Did all the body and paint, and then the customer was going to put it back together himself, and then he decided to have us put it back together. So Rick and I hung the doors, the inner and outer fenders, and the hood, and he's going to bring the box back at some point. But I'm just like, look at those gaps. Look at that body work. I mean, come on. I'm just so proud of what we do. Look at the lines and gaps on that door. Look at even the cowl. I mean, all these lines and gaps are just like, giddy up. I'm just really proud of our shop and what we do here. And I'm sure that this customer is going to love this truck. It sure is a pretty color combination too. As far as I know, he's going to bring us the box, but I'm not 100% sure on that, because he might just have some guys come over to his house and put the box on. But there she is. And I just wanted everybody to know how it turned out, because it turned out really well. So that's it. Just a quick one on that old girl. She's going home today, so this will be the last time we see her, probably until the box comes on. I'm sure he's going to put all the grill in the box and everything like that, and then come back and show us. So I will do a video when it's completely done, but as for right now, that's all you get. Thanks everybody. Talk to you soon.